Welcome back, guys. We are doing a Math 172 review for test 2, and we are on to problem 26, which is about vectors, which are near and dear to my heart. So the vector u is -1, 2. So if we were going to sketch that from 0, 0, it would go left 1 and up 2. So this is the vector u. All right, and then the vector v is equal to 0, 3. So drawing that, it doesn't go left or right at all, it just goes up 1, 2, 3 units. So this is the vector v. All right, and then we're asked to calculate or to add these vectors in a certain way. 2v minus 3u. So 2v minus 3u. So we're just going to write that down. So that's 2 times 0, 3 minus 3 times -1, 2. Okay, so I know it looks weird, but we're just going to keep doing what we were doing. We know how to distribute. 2 times 0 is just 0, and 2 times 3 is 6. So what we've done is we've taken 2 of these v's and added them together. So that's 1v and 2 v's. So this is the vector 2v. And then we're going to add -3 times -1, which is 3, and -3 times 2, which is -6. So we're going to take u and spin it on its head. So what was left and up is now right and down. So this is minus u. And we're doing it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 2v and then 1, 2, 3 minus 3u. So then we add these component-wise. 0 plus 3 is 3, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So this is our resultant vector. It is 3 to the right and 0 up and down, which makes sense. If we draw from the beginning of the first to the end of the second, this is 1, 2, 3 units. So that's our result. 3, 0. B, question B, they ask us to find the magnitude of v minus u. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing we did before. V is 0, 3 minus u, which is -1, 2. So that gives us 0, 3 plus 1, -2. So the result is 1 and 1. But they didn't ask us to do this in component form. They asked us to find the magnitude. So I really like doing these vector sketches, so that's what we're going to do first. We've got v, which is 1, 2, 3 up, right? So that's v. And then minus u is 1 over and 2 down. So starting here, we go 1 over and 2 down. So we are here. That's minus u. So our result then, I'm going to draw it in green here, goes from the beginning of the first to the end of the last. So that's our result. It has an x component of 1 and a y component of 1. But they ask us to find the magnitude. Whenever you're finding the magnitude of a vector, any vector, the magnitude of any vector, it's just the square root of the x component squared and the y component squared. So for our little green vector right here, this one is going to be the square root of 1 squared plus 1 squared, which is the square root of 2. So that is our answer. for 26B. Thanks a lot for paying attention. Catch you later.